What I have here today is a set of 9-volt lithium USB recharging batteries. I want y'all to check this out. These things are awesome. This is from the company Taken, I think is how you would say that. And these are called maximum power. They have up to 2,000 cycle times, which that's probably a lifetime. That's a piece, by the way. And there's 4 of them in here. There's 4 of these batteries. They are 9-volt batteries. The capacity on them is 1,100 milliamps, 9,900 milliwatts, I think is how you would say that. Battery charge methods is a 2 amp type C type connector, and I will show you that connector. Let's just open them up. Let's see what these look like. I did take them out and charge them, make sure they're fully charged. Let's look over. Is this not the coolest charger ever? Check this out. You get a 4-prong USB-C charging. I have never seen that. 4. And what it does is split it amongst all of them. You get each battery is individually wrapped. You can see right there, 1,100 milliamp battery. But look at that, everybody. It has a port on the bottom, a USB port, a USB-C. Listen, you hear that click? There's a little click, and you can charge all 4 of these at once. And if you're like me, I brought both my smoke detectors out. I changed my smoke detectors at the end of the year. This one opens like this. It lifts up. There we go. That's a good old Thunderbolt, so we'll put those aside. Let's get the Tekken battery. Tekken or Taken, however you want to say that. It drops down in there like that. That one plugs in. Woo, there we go. That one's fully charged and ready to go. And then this one is fully charged and ready to go. And this one pops down in there like that. And let's try this one. Hold down that. I would say that works. And hold this one down. So we know that one works. That button looks like it's come loose a little bit. I'm ready to replace this one anyway. Let's see if that works like that. Yeah. See, that button's come a little loose, but both of them are fully charged. They are ready to go. This is something I highly recommend for anyone that has to replace batteries a lot, whether it's a guitar. I've got a little thermometer that I'm also going to use these things in. These are very light, by the way. That thing feels very light. But how awesome is it that when it goes dead, we just plug it in, recharge it up, and they supply you with the cable. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the maximum power 9-volt lithium USB-C rechargeable. See you all in the next video.